Hi guys, this is Mitch and welcome to my channel. Today's menu, I'm gonna show you how to cook pork humba, and these are the ingredients: pork, onions and garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Sprite, pineapple chunks. If you don't have Sprite, you can use pineapple chunks. If you don't have pineapple chunks, you can use Sprite. This time, I'm using these two to make pork even tender. Salted black beans. I love adding salted black beans 2 minutes before I serve pork humba. Bay leaves, sugar, and whole black pepper. In a pan, mix all the ingredients except for black beans. On this part, I already mixed pork, onions, garlic, bay leaves, pepper, and soy sauce. Now I'm adding oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of sugar, pineapple chunks, and added some juice, and a small amount of Sprite. Place it in the stove, cover, and wait for it to boil. Once it boils, lower the heat and give it a stir. Once it turned out like this, you can always add water. I recommend to add hot water in order for it to boil faster. Add the salted black beans 2 minutes before you turn down the heat. Serve it hot and enjoy eating humba. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Bye!